Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I'm trying to wear this shirt like all cute, but I have a battle wound right there. I got myself with my curling wand the other day. It hurt. Okay, first question. Did you ever ship out by mistake an item that still had the thrift store tag on it? So, no, I've never shipped out an item that still had like the price tag on it, like the actual like paper part of it. But I have shipped out items that still have like the little plastic part, you know how it's like a little plastic part and then the paper's connected to it. It still had a plastic part, and I had somebody give me, I think it was like 2 stars, because they're like, she left the thrift store tag on it. I'm like, really? 2 stars for that? Really? Like, it was such a cute shirt. It was in excellent condition. I sent it to her super fast. I gave her a really good friggin' deal too. And she gave me 2 stars because I left the plastic tag on it. Like, really? 2 stars for that. I'm like, okay, cool. That's why I don't fret over ratings, because that's fucking crazy to give someone 2 stars because they left a tag. I could understand, yeah, okay, maybe if it said the price on it. The paper part was ripped off. It was just the little like clear plastic thing. I don't know. This is craziness. You just can't please some people. Okay, next question. Okay, this is not Poshmark related at all, but I did want to mention it in this video. This person said, I would love to see a video on how you got your hair that color. It's awesome. Happy holidays. Thank you. Happy holidays to you too. So yes, I'm going to do, I think I've mentioned this in previous videos. I'm going to start doing more beauty videos, and I will tell you guys how I got my hair this color, because I get like literally everywhere I go, it's crazy. People are like, oh my gosh, I love your hair. Your hair's so pretty. I'm like, thank you. We'll do a video telling you guys how I got this hair color, what I used, because I've been using this particular brand for years and years and years. I've used like multiple colors in this brand too, and I love it. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, again, I will be making more beauty videos coming soon. If you just want the reselling stuff, don't worry. I'm not gonna like cut back on that. I'm just gonna add more beauty stuff to my channel. Okay, next question. Oh my gosh. This person says, Vanessa, please do a video addressing the rat that went running through the Goodwill bins on the TikTok video. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I'm done. Okay, I had no idea what she was talking about. I had to Google it. I'm not gonna like show the video. You guys can Google it, but it's basically a video on TikTok. Someone's filming at the bins, and there's like a rat hopping from like bin to bin, and they're like trying to catch it. A fucking rat. Like, what? I've been to the Goodwill bins a few times. Every time that I went, I wore gloves. I haven't seen like animals running around, thank God, but I have seen insects like spiders just like crawling through clothes. And yeah, I've seen like dirty shit stained things. Like, it's disgusting there. And that's why I wear gloves. And that's why I wash everything that I buy, not only from the bins, but from thrift stores in general, because you don't know what was touching it, what was just around it. And I wash things that I buy from like regular retail stores anyway. Like, obviously those are like, you know, new things, but still, you don't know like who's touching that shirt before you. I wash everything before I wear it. I am the biggest germaphobe ever. This whole pandemic is literally like my worst nightmare. Like, my hands right now, if you could see them, they're so dry because I wash my hands like literally 30 times a day. Like, that's not even exaggeration. Before the pandemic, I washed my hands maybe like 20 times a day, but now I've upped it. But yeah, I'm just like so paranoid about germs. Like, when I go to public places, I don't touch doors. No way in hell am I sitting on a public toilet seat. That video literally made my skin crawl. But it just makes me want to maybe wash things twice before I bring them into my house. Like, I cringe every time I see haul videos. People are like, oh, I just came back from the bins, and they're like touching things, and they're like trying things on, or like putting things on their bed or on their couch. I'm like, so gross. Just wash your shit. Just wash it. Like, germs, gross. Okay, next question. Person says, my closet doesn't show any listings. It says no listings found. Please help. Okay, so I don't know why it says that. It could be a number of reasons. Maybe your closet was like suspended for some reason. Maybe you have like a filter on. Maybe you only sell like women's stuff and you have like the men's filter on. Yeah, those are really the only 2 reasons I can think of as to why it wouldn't show any listings. First, check to see if you have a filter on when looking at your closet, and then contact Poshmark and see what is up. But I hope you get your listings back soon. Did you do anything? Did you do anything like bad, like use a bot? Although it's not bad to use a bot. It's bad, I mean, it's against Poshmark's rules. So yeah, so just think like, did you do anything like that? And then contact Poshmark and see what they say. Okay, next question. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, this person said, I had a buyer make an offer I accepted, and then their payment method failed. When I went to their Meet the Posher page, they had messages from other sellers regarding failed payments, and One even saying, please stop making offers when you don't intend to purchase. I sent the message saying I would be happy to accept their offer if they update their payment info, and then saw they were back on the app later in the day and didn't update their payment info. I want to report the user, but there was no option for repeat failed payment, so I sent a message to Poshmark support. Has this happened to you? And if so, how have you handled it? Buyers making reasonable offers and then payments failing and never getting updated is super frustrating to me as a buyer. And clearly this person is a repeat offender. Okay, so yes, that has happened to me many times. It happened to me twice yesterday. I mean, you know, I don't really go out of my way to report them. I'm just kind of like, okay, that sucks, and then I'm over it. Definitely are people on Poshmark that make offers knowing that they aren't going to buy it or knowing that their card is going to fail. But then again, there are people that buy things and their payment has failed, and they don't know that. Like, it's not their fault. Maybe their card expired. You know, there could be many reasons. Maybe they have the wrong card. Like, I don't know. There could be many reasons. But yeah, I wouldn't go out of my way to report them. I would just honestly block them and move on, and just not deal with that headache, like, at all. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.